Hello dear students. In last module we have discussed percentage and its applications. And now in this module we will discuss different type of taxes like sale tax, VAT, income tax, etc. Before giving answer you that what is tax, think about this that government provide us public roads, street lights, hospitals where health workers take care of our health by providing their services, public schools who prepare our nation builders. Then who pay government for the maintenance of all these things? We all go to restaurant with our family where we enjoy delicious food and where waiters provide their services to us and we have a good time there. And when we see the bill, then along with the cost of food, we are to give some taxes like service tax, GST, VAT, etc. So these taxes are charged by the government to provide all these various facilities like hospitals, roads, transports, etc. to the public. Tax, which is collected in the form of income tax, property tax, professional tax, water tax, etc., is called direct tax, and these are paid to the government directly by the public. But some of the taxes are not paid directly to the government, and these are called indirect tax. Let us discuss a situation to understand the meaning of tax. Trisha wants to purchase a dress which cost her rupees 1500. So she gives 1500 rupees to the shopkeeper. But do you think that the shopkeeper will keep all this money? No. He will give a part of this amount to government, so that amount which he gives to government is called tax. Let us discuss one more problem to understand this. The price of a vase is rupees 100 and sale tax on it is 10%. So what is sale tax here? 10% of 100 rupees means 10 upon 100 into 100, which is equal to rupees 10. So the total price which the customer will pay to shopkeeper is 110 rupees, and where 10 rupees is the tax which the shopkeeper will pay to government, and that is called indirect tax. Now let us discuss some more problems. A washing machine is available for rupees 36,400 including of GST. If the original cost of the washing machine is rupees 32,500, then find the rate of GST. So, to find the solution of this, let the rate of GST be X%. Then 32,500 plus X% of 32,500, which is equal to 36,400, because this is the price of washing machine with GST. Now X upon 100 into 32,500 equal to 36,400 minus 32,500, which is equal to 3,900. And on transposing we get X is equal to 12, means GST is 12%. Now I hope that you all understood well that what are taxes and why we pay taxes to the government. Thank you.